What it is, what it do, man. It's your boy Morvay, and I'm back once again with another banger video. Now, as you can see by the title and the thumbnail, in today's video we will be doing an intense POV drive in the Chrysler 300. In today's video, y'all will see I am going to be using strictly my paddles in sport mode, so the whine should be a little louder from my intake, and then you should hear the exhaust screaming a little bit. You feel me? You know, we got the no resonator, no mufflers, so you should be able to hear it just a little bit. Right now I am on the way to the gym, so I'm gonna get a little bit of content on the way there, and then I'm definitely gonna get some content on the way home. So I hope y'all do enjoy this video, and with that being said, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and let's get into it. Alright, y'all, so we just left the gym and Zaxby's, and it's time to get back to this POV drive. It's a nice little Stinger over there going crazy, but y'all gotta hear this little warm start. Put her in S and put her in sport. Don't connect the phone. Put her in first gear. We should be out of here. I low-key don't even know where I'm at. I think I gotta go this way though. Alright, y'all, so we got out of there successfully. So now we can get back to it. Comment down below head cam if y'all think I should get a head cam instead of doing this one-handed POV drive stuff. Cause I mean, I could still work my magic with only one hand and use my paddles and do what I gotta do. But I just know if I had two hands, we'd be even better. Should I get ambient lighting in the 300, chat? Let me know. I don't really like the ambient lighting in the 300 though, because it only goes right here on this big old thing. Like in the Chargers it looks cool, but I don't know about the 300. What's this in front of us? Is this a cop? I think it is a cop. It's not a cop. He got stripes. I'm gonna get a few clips with the flash on for y'all. This shit tight bright in my mirror though. I ain't gonna cap. Can y'all hear that cold air intake? Downshift. 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 We in a curve. Hold on. Downshift. Y'all, so your boy is finna be home. I'm turning onto my road right now. That means we probably got one last pull for y'all. I'm using my right hand right now, so I'm not gonna use my paddles just on this pull since I'm finna be home. So yeah, man, with that being said, your boy did just pull into the neighborhood. So that is going to end this video off. I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. More car content on the way. I'm aiming for weekly uploads. I have a few video ideas in mind. I'm just relying on other people to be with me so that I can record those videos. And when you have to rely on people, it's kind of hard. So with that being said, I am out. Make sure y'all have a good night, and yeah.